Motorola Moto E6 charging dock replacement. This guide shows how to replace the charging dock on the Motorola Moto E6. It should be replaced if the device is unable to charge when plugged in or if the device is overheating while charging. Replacing the charging dock will also replace the microphone on the bottom of the phone. Begin by prying open the bottom right of the device using the plastic opening tool. Work your way around the edge of the device, slowly prying open the casing until it pops off. Use the opening tool on the divot located below the battery to pop it out. Remove the 7 3.8 mm T4 screws on the piece located below the battery compartment. Begin prying off the bottom piece with the opening tools on the divot located at the bottom left. Work your way around the piece until it pops off. Remove the press-fit cable at the top of the charging dock with a plastic opening tool. Remove the coaxial cable using the plastic opening tool. Remove the two 1.1 mm T4 screws on the bottom right and top left sides of the charging dock. Remove the charging dock by hand.